Hello techies. As we know, agentic automation refers to automation powered by AI agents that can make decisions and take actions autonomously. First, we'll understand what is an agent. An agent is someone or something that acts on behalf of another person, entity, or system, serving as a representative or intermediary to perform tasks, make decisions, or facilitate processes common in business, government, or technology. For an example, we are having real estate agent, talent agent, secret agent, or AI agents, which are the agents in AI. All right. Now we will understand what is AI agent. AI agent stands for Artificial Intelligence Agent. An AI agent is a system that uses artificial intelligence to perceive its environment, reason about how to achieve a specific goal, and take actions to reach that goal, often without needing a human to guide every single step. An AI agent is a software program that can interact with the environment, collect data, and use the data to perform tasks that meet predefined goals, acting independently with learning and adaptation. Human set goals, but an AI agent independently chooses the best actions it needs to perform to achieve those goals. AI agents work by using core technologies like LLMs, large language models, Gen AI, NLP, natural language processing, to understand complex requests, plan multi-step workflows, use tools like API search, and learn from the feedback, moving beyond simple commands to proactively solve problems and automate tasks in a continuous loop. For an example, consider a customer care center AI agent that wants to resolve customer queries. The AI agent will automatically ask the customer different questions, look up the information in internal documents, and respond with a solution. Based on the customer responses, it determines if it can resolve the query itself or pass it on to a human. Multiple AI agents can collaborate to automate complex workflows and can also be used in agentic AI systems. They exchange data with each other, allowing the entire system to work together to achieve common goals. Individual AI agents can be specialized to perform specific subtasks with accuracy. An orchestrator agent coordinates the activities of different specialist agents to complete larger, more complex tasks. Alright, now we'll understand what are the characteristics of AI agent. First one, autonomy, where AI agents can cooperate without constant human intervention. Next one, perception. AI agents use sensors or data feeds to understand their environment. Third characteristic, that is reasoning, where AI agents analyze the information to make logical decisions. Fourth one, adaptability, where AI agents improve their performance over time based on past experience and new data. This is all about the AI agents.